Event intelligence is the process of collecting data and information and then analyzing that information and using it to provide a more customized, relevant, and efficient experience for your attendees, for your exhibitors, for your sponsors, for all of your stakeholders. So customized. Really today, in this day and age, your attendees, your exhibitors, they're looking for more targeted experiences, more targeted activities. They want something customized to their needs. Relevant. Making sure you provide relevant messaging that really speaks to their interests and how you're going to solve their problems or you're going to match them with other people of like interests. And efficient. How do you make that information easily accessible and easily shareable with others? Now, ironically, in our industry, people are awash in data, but they're really struggling on how do I use that information to drive improvements in my event and my programming. And that's where event intelligence comes in. It's using and creating those tools to drive better performance in your event and with your exhibitors and attendees. So there are a number of organizers who've really embraced event intelligence to derive improvements in their show and interactions between the attendees and the exhibitors and sponsors and others. Different examples from the American Wind Energy Association and their conference, Wind Power. So wind power had really gone through a couple of years of declines because of some of the dynamics in the industry, and they really wanted to arrest those declines. And one of the ways they did that was really getting into the data analysis and more relevant messaging to their attendees and prospects. They looked at 5 years worth of registration data and analyzed that to understand who are the different groups coming to this conference. You've got research and development folks, business people, operators, and so instead of sending one message to 30,000 different recipients, they segmented those groups and created more relevant messages, including speakers and sessions of interest or activities at the show that were more relevant for one group or the other, and they really targeted those messages and the marketing towards those groups. They got better open rates, better click-through rates, better response, and better attendance. So it's really using that data to drive improvements and interactions between the attendees and the exhibitors and driving improvements to the show. And we're very lucky because Lori Rue, who has worked with the American Wind Energy Association, is going to join me at our January session to talk about event intelligence, how to collect, how to analyze, and how to drive those improvements, and also how to work with your peers to get them to embrace the different intelligence and drive those improvements in your programming. Event Intelligence, Use Data to Get Results will be held Monday afternoon, January 12th from 1:15 to 2:15. Lori and I look forward to seeing you there.